back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If it's your first time here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So guys, you guys really enjoyed my first Ugg video, so I decided to purchase more Uggs, especially since the fall is coming up. I was like, why not? I thought they were so cute, and they dropped like so many new colors, and my old ones are like busted at this point because it's been like a year now and I've worn them like everywhere. So I decided, why not upgrade and get some new ones. So this will be my first time looking at them with you guys. And when I ordered them, I had to wait. They were on back order for like a couple weeks. So I actually just got them the other day. So I said I'm going to record another video and see how that one does. And see if you guys like these new Uggs. So let's open them. I know y'all are gonna like these. These are really wild. So they came in this box, and the box has this sticker on it from Decker's brands, which I don't get that because I ordered them from Ugg. So, and I've been looking, like Ugg has had some really cute boots on their site. Like, they might have me like as a permanent customer because they really got some cute, like not the regular typical Ugg boots that everybody wears, but like other ones. Like, y'all check them out. And I'm gonna link these slippers in the description so you guys could just click that link and shop them if you wanted to. These were also $100 just like the last ones, and I got a size 10. Y'all had so many questions about the last one. I was like, girl, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Ooh, these are fire. Okay, so what I love is that, oh my gosh, the inside is like baby pink. And like I told y'all last time, these shoes are hard, like they're super sturdy. And then the strap has like a baby pink and white, and so this is the rest of the shoe. Like every color is in this shoe. So adorable. So I'm gonna try them on. They match my pajamas. How cute. Yeah, so they're tight at first, but y'all, these definitely, they loosen up as you walk in them. The more you wear them, like, they get looser. So if you are a true 9, get a 9. I don't know about all that sizing up, sizing down. Like, get your true size with these shoes. Like I told y'all last time, I even forgot that they felt this tight. But they do feel very tight right now. Like, they almost feel too tight. But they fit, and I'm definitely going to be wearing them. So they'll be loosening up. Oh, these are going to be so cute with like an anklet. Oh, or multiple anklets. I just ordered some jewelry from one of my Instagram friends. She just launched her shop, so when I get my jewelry and all my accessories, I'm gonna do a haul for y'all so y'all can check her out too. These are so cute. I'm obsessed, and they're so soft. They're so cute. Oh, let me show y'all. Okay, do you see, like, I have like my foot is here and I still have some room, and then my toes are here. So yeah, if I could have gotten a 9, I'm sure, but that would have been too small. So I wear a 10 and I got a 10. Well, some shoes I wear a 9.5, but I got a 10 because these are slippers, and if they're too big, I don't care because they're slippers. Okay. Oh, that's my old knee cracking. Oh, and my other knee. So these are my Ugg slippers. I'm gonna walk in them for y'all just like I did last time. so that is it. This concludes my video on these new slippers that I got. Please make sure you are following me on Instagram so that you can see how I decide to style these slippers. Even though I'm probably going to be wearing them in the house a lot, but I'm about to post a picture actually right now, excuse me, which is probably already posted by now, but you have to follow me on Instagram to know that. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss anything. Make sure to click the link down below so you can shop these Uggs if you want them. Not paid to say that. And leave me a comment. And I also have a video up on how I washed my Uggs and also how I styled my previous Uggs in another video. So check those out as well. Matter of fact, let me see if I have my other Uggs right now so I can show y'all what they look like. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you my old Uggs. This is what they look like. They're beat to hell, but now I don't know if this is about the washing or the drying or like just the wearing, but I definitely wore the brakes off these Uggs. But they're not dirty though. As you can see, they look crystal clean. So I don't know why I had them in the wash machine to be washed again, but altogether I've probably washed these Uggs like 3 times. And so yeah, they have definitely lasted me the whole entire year. They're so cute still. My feet just like lean inward. So that's why they have like this lean action going on, but I don't have an arch. So instead of my foot being like this, it's like this. Okay, that's too much. But yeah, you guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye guys.